Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on our HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can add GIFs to Teams. So if you would like to send a GIF picture to the meetings chat, just open up the chat for the aforementioned meeting, then start composing a message, tap on the smiley face at the right, then go for GIFs section, tap at the top, accept all GIF settings in terms of service, then just search the GIF that you would like to send, and then hit the send button. The same process is pretty much executed once you want to send a GIF picture to a group chat, not at the meeting chat. So open up the chat in question, start composing a message, smiley face, GIFs, and just send one. If you would like to send a GIF not from the Giphy add-on, but rather from your own internal storage, just tap at this plus sign at the left, then tap at the attach, and if your GIF is in the form of file, just choose the file and send it. If you want to send it as media, so it will be displayed like that, just instead of attach option, go for the media one, grant Teams the gallery access, and send your GIF. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.